So this is the unboxing of the Kyt Vendetta Armor Red. This is a large size. So it's really, I didn't really see so many of this design on the street. I like the way the paint is. So Vendetta, you still have the vent on the top. Front, you have the lock for the visor there on the side. So if you're on a track, or if you really want to lock your visor, if you're on an expressway and make sure it's safe, yeah. Design look quite nice. ICC stickers already caught inside, so it's not gonna come out. And it's really not heavy, you know. It's probably, I'm not sure about the weight, it's probably 115 like the NFR. It's pretty decent for a everyday helmet if you want to use, you know. It's pretty good. Yeah, Kyt Vendetta Armor Red. Apart from Kyt helmet, we also have Tyticals dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in a link in this description for eClaw by MANILA on Facebook and just send us a message.